and welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to show you step by step how to make a traditional garlic white rice that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Of course, to make this amazing white rice with garlic, you need 3 garlic cloves, huge. I have 3 huge garlic cloves that I'm going to dice in very small little pieces. I really want to infuse this white rice with this garlic and onion. Let me tell you, I love garlic. And if you love garlic like I do, make this amazing Mexican white rice with garlic. And here are all the ingredients you're going to need. Step by step, how to prepare this amazing white rice with garlic. It tastes amazing and it goes with everything. This is step by step how to make it at home and enjoying it with your beautiful family. On the pan, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm going to make sure that I cover all the bottom. And always make sure that you rinse your rice before you add it. So here I'm just covering the whole bottom with the vegetable oil. I'm adding the rice. I'm going to mix it very well. Cover every little piece with the vegetable oil. I'm going to cook it until it turns golden brown. And you decide how golden brown you want it. It's going to take about 5 to 8 minutes to get it nice and crispy, nice and golden brown. And you could even smell the aroma of the rice through all your kitchen. Let me tell you, this rice comes out fluffy, pulls apart, just amazing. And here you could already see the difference. Here is nice and golden brown. And now I'm going to start by adding the onion. And it's just 1/4 of an onion. It's very little onion, but this is really going to infuse the rice. So I'm going to add the onion, I'm going to add the garlic, and I'm going to incorporate. Always incorporate it. Always remember to add hot water when you're making your rice. Never add cold water. You really want your rice to be nice and fluffy and even pulls apart every little granule. So I added the onion. Now I'm adding all the garlic nice and diced. I'm going to incorporate it really good, making sure that everything is incorporated, that you could really smell the aroma of the garlic and onion. And when this is done, we're going to add the hot water. Remember, for every cup of rice, you add 2 cups of boiling water. This is very important. Boiling water so it comes out fluffy and delicious. You're going to cook it for about 15 minutes, 12 to 15 minutes until you see no longer you see any water inside. I added 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. I'm going to incorporate it really good, making sure everything is incorporated. Once it starts bubbling on the top and you can see the little bubbles, you're going to cover it. Always taste it just in case it needs a little more salt. But to my tasting, this is perfect. 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon for every cup of rice. And here I'm going to reduce to medium low and I'm going to cook it. And here I have in a saucepan, I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going to add 1 jalapeño sliced in through the center. And I am going to get it nice and crispy. As you already know, I love spicy food. So I'm going to get it nice and crispy. And this is going to be the topper for my garlic white rice. Right on the top, I'm going to add in, because I love spicy food. And let me tell you, this jalapeno seems to be nice and spicy. I could really smell the aroma. 15 minutes have gone by and look at the rice. Let me show you from close up how with the fork you could really fluff up all the rice. Nothing is sticking to the bottom. There's no liquid at all. And if you got to this part of the video, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget, there's no need to go to the superstore and buy those little cups of rice when you can make it at home and you can enjoy it with your beautiful family. Because when you bake and you cook at home, everything comes out perfect. And now I am ready for the presentation plate. Of course, I'm going to show you how I make the big, huge ball on that plate so you could really enjoy this amazing white rice with garlic. Look at this. So here in this bowl, I'm just going to add the white rice. I'm going to pack it in really good, making sure it's nice and packed. And then I'm going to use another plate and I'm going to flip it over. And that's when you're going to see and reveal how this rice is going to look. This is going to be amazing. And of course, right on the top, my jalapeño. Make it, enjoy it with your beautiful family. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this very traditional garlic white rice. It comes out fluffy, delicious, and let me tell you, with the jalapeno on the side, just perfection made at home. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. So fluffy. The flavor of the garlic and the onion. Amazing. Delicious. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this very traditional garlic, onion, white rice. Mexican rice, as I call it. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.